All right, haven't done this for a while. Trying to do a little food live again. So today I'm making an egg dosa with some bacon for breakfast. So that there, of course, is going to take some time, but it's coming along nicely. And on the other pan over here, we'll get a dosa started. So this is a multi-grain dosa. There is a wonderful supplier of dosa attas in our neighborhood called Atta Girl, and which offers a range of dosa batters. So this one is their multi-grain, which is wonderfully pinkish brown kind of color. And I'm sorry, my attention wavered because I was thinking about the bacon in the other pan. And we'll just drop a little bit of oil on it to help it sizzle away. The bacon doesn't need any oil, it's rendering, and it will start to crisp up soon enough. What I've also done already is I've broken an egg here, which will eventually go on to that dosa. So that egg can stay there for a while. And maybe what I might just do, if the bacon has browned by then and it has become nice and crispy by then, is I might just actually fold the bacon in to the dosa as well. Why not, right? No reason why not. So I can see that the dosa is coming along nicely. We'll turn up the heat maybe just a bit to help it to brown a little on the other side. And this, you can never really go wrong with bacon, yeah? One of those things that always works. Fatty, as you can see, plenty on that rind. And now that fat is rendering, so you can hear the gentle sizzle. In the meantime, this fella is also coming off. A very easy way to check is the pan is yielding it. Not yet. Not yet. Anyway, it will soon enough. So we'll give it that time. And just give this a quick shake. It will start to brown soon. Some people like their bacon really crispy, me not necessarily so. But today, since I'm making that bacon for both self and daughter who likes it really crisp, we shall leave it there for a little longer than I would normally. I can flip this around. Dosa looks like it is. Hi Sangeeta, good morning Shubhrato. This is an entirely worthwhile idea, yes? Bacon and dosa. So that egg is waiting. That egg will go on to the dosa in a short while. This will continue to brown and continue to crisp up. And that fat, oh, look at that. Look at it rendering. I don't need it to be terribly browned. Just a bit. And turn it around and let the egg go on.
Do you want the chimney then, though?
Nah, it's alright. In any case, the chimney doesn't work. I think we need to do something like that.
Chimney light then, not the chimney.
And the egg starts to cook. The easy way of helping it along is to actually put a lid on it. That will ensure that the egg will steam in there. Bacon is one of those things that I have thoroughly enjoyed for the longest time. And we've always made good bacon in India. For as long as I can remember, we've always had good bacon. It was not readily available. It was hard to find in the old days. But where you got it, it was always good. And I guess the eggshell can go into the bin. Don't need that anymore. And as you can see, the egg is getting nicely cooked in there. I don't want it to be terribly cooked, so I can probably turn that off now. And this is crisping along. And that I turned the heat off, but I've left the lid on because the egg will continue to gently cook in that heat. And in the meantime, this bacon will crisp up and become utterly delightful. So that's your new breakfast idea, egg dosa with bacon. Go on and try it and tell me how it turned out for you. And I will now get busy with digging in. And for Shubhrato and Sangeeta, thanks for joining, and have yourselves a splendid weekend, which is now upon us.